Hey, it's Jim Parr, and I just want to tell you why I've been so quiet on social media the last 12 months. And it's because I've been working on something. And I'm about to show you exactly what I've been working on. And let me just say that I work with businesses for the last 20 years and help them build their profits, build their visibility and everything. And the number one thing that separates a profitable business from a struggling business is the lack of visibility. They're lost in the sea of competition online, and that is where you have to be. A profitable business knows exactly where everything is in their sales cycle at all times, from suspect to prospect to customer. They know that cycle. And struggling businesses have no idea where their leads are coming from, where they're spending their money, where their visibility is, how their visibility is online. And it's a frustrating mess in most cases. And most of those businesses just have paperwork shuffled all over. But in the last year, I've been working to solve this problem for business owners, including myself. And now we have a team of some of the brightest sales and marketing people and engineers to develop this dashboard, this system to track all your sales and allow a business owner to have more time and know exactly where those sales are coming from. So we had many of those same struggles over the last year trying to do a startup business and build that business. And the last year I've been trying to hire qualified salespeople, and we bought and spent thousands of dollars on CRMs. And with the excuses that they couldn't get the work done, they couldn't make those calls, they had personal problems, whatever it was the human, as Cesar Milano say, that was the problem, that was interfering with that sales cycle. So what a new sales system does, it takes the sales guy out, it nurtures the lead, it follows the sales cycle with no human interaction, and it tells you how much you spent on ads, what the conversion cost was, and most of all, you can see the sales cycle where it was lost or broken. And that is what the back end of, or what our new software will do called Sproutified. It'll show you exactly where those sales are coming from, where they're stuck in a sales cycle, and it takes that salesperson out of the picture, and actually it takes a business owner to have a massive sales team by using this automation marketing system in their business. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to take you in the back end of this and show you exactly what it is, how it works, and how it can benefit your business. So we're in the back end of Sproutified. It is a full suite. This is your dashboard the minute you get in, and it tells you what your total opportunities are. It tells you the value of your pipeline, and it tells you what your conversion loss is. And if you look at these, this is just a test account that we have that we're building, and we have the pipeline value, and it'll show you what was closed, what is open, what was lost. And then obviously as you go down the pipeline here, you can see where the funnel of prospects come in. And so we look at this top level as a new customer. We get into appointment setting. We won the customer at the very bottom. Obviously in a funnel, that's what you want. And so we could actually see where the source of these leads are, whether it's a Facebook ad or social media ad, a Facebook business page, a Google listing, an email campaign, whatever it is, we can see what is going on. And the best thing about this is it works for every business, because just wait till I show you what you can do with some of these features on the left here in the dashboard, and it'll just tell you the power of this. And so as we look at it, we can go into our opportunities and we can move these customers around depending on what your pipeline is set here. So you can set your pipeline up any way you want. You can have 3 different levels that they come in, or you can set it up to 50 different pipelines. It just really depends what you want. But if we had a interested customer and we set that appointment, we just move them over. And once they're moved over into the cycle, it just goes through. It sends them the appointment setting through text, through email, through direct message, through their Facebook. We can do it through anything imaginable. If this lead was lost or won, we just drag it down, drop it in the one, and it will be closed. We have such sophisticated systems in here that you can take a document, you can have the person come in, set up the appointment, book the appointment, close the appointment, close the deal, and then send them a contract all automatically. Once it's signed, it sends them the payment information, and then it closes that deal. And if it's, say, a lawn care business, an attorney business, a real estate business, you can close that sale, and then you can put them into a retention campaign where there's maybe a monthly, a yearly follow-up, 7 days, 30 days, whatever it is. You can follow that customer to retain that lead. And that's what's so incredible about this. We have a calendar feature in here. So in the calendar feature, you can import as many calendars as you want. And so if you're using Schedule Once or Calendly, and those are expensive programs, some of those are about $50 a month, you can get rid of that and use this system for that. Let's just say you have 4 different calendars and you have an appointment set for one of your pipelines. It will analyze those 4 different calendars, and based off of your availability on those 4 calendars, it will book the appointment. We also have a reputation management in here. So you can manage all your reviews in here. Say you have a customer, you can reply as the business here. You can filter them, do whatever you want with them, and it monitors Facebook, Google, whatever it is, it'll manage those responses for you, and you can go in and do whatever. The contacts, many of you are using Aweber, Constant Contact, whatever it is, and our system has that all built in, along with emailing, email templates, automated email campaigns, whatever else you're looking for. So as I go through this, you're saying, okay, I can eliminate that, I can eliminate that, and that's what we're having customers do. They're getting rid of their Schedule Once or their Calendly. They're getting rid of their ClickFunnels, because we do have a funnel builder in here, and you can go in and build a funnel very quickly. It's very easy drag and drop features that you go in here. Just simply go in, edit the page, and when we click on this, we just go in and it's drag and drop, type in whatever you want. So you can just go in, and if you want to edit this form or whatever, you can do that. But we have a bunch of templates in there so that you can do that very, very easily. So you can build as many funnels as you want, unlike some of the others out there. We have a website builder in there. If you want to build a website in a matter of minutes, let's just say that we want to build a website and it's for yoga. So this was built off of one of our templates in here. So we can go in here and say we want to pick a template for a hair salon or insurance company. Let's just go in here. We'll select the insurance. It's a life insurance company. We'll look at the template. We can change the colors and everything once we get in here. So we don't have to worry about that right now. We just say, get this template. It's loading it right now. And if we go to this, it was 7 pages that were built in here automatically. And now we can preview and see what this looks like. So that was a website developed in a few minutes. You can put all your own information in there. You can change the colors. Of course, you're going to change the logo and everything else. but that's how quick it goes. And it's got all your stuff built in to make an appointment. Your pop-ups, that's another thing that it takes the place of, is like opt-in monster. So to edit these is super, super simple. We have lawyer websites. We have whatever it is. You could build mini microsites for your business. But again, you just go in here and type whatever you want, and that is how simple it is. So some of the other features, we have a chat widget in here that you can put into your website so that people can text you through your website or message you through your website. We have a full marketing suite in here, and so you can set up all different campaigns in this. Say we want to build out a new campaign, or just add a different thing to this appointment reminder. This is just one that's set up. We have templates in there. And so a text goes out on an appointment reminder to remind people that the appointment was confirmed. This is just later on, right before the appointment, lets them know their start time. And then it sends them another appointment reminder an hour before. So this is a day before, this is an hour before. And so it tells you, but you can add different events. So if you want to add a voice drop in there and just call the person and say, this is so-and-so, and we're just confirming that you have an appointment in an hour online on Zoom, and boom, you can send them that link via text. So these are all your different things. Google My Business has a messaging chat now, and we have this built in. And so when people go to the maps on Google, there's a new chat feature, and those leads will come into your Sproutified. So there's really nothing that we can't do. We've got email templates. As I showed you, we can create an email from one of our templates. We have form builders, unlimited form builders, contact forms, and these are drag and drop and very appealing to the eye. We have survey builders. So maybe you want to qualify a customer, your insurance company, your real estate company. What are they looking for a home, 1, 2, 3 bedroom, whatever it is? You can set up a survey and qualify that customer prior to booking that customer. Or you're a consultant and you want to schedule an appointment so you can see what they need, and then based off of what they need, you can actually send them a payment link to make a payment prior to that call if you charge for consulting. We have text templates. It's just unlimited what we have in here. We have HTML builders, so you can take your HTML email template from another competitor, drop it in here as a new template, and it'll put all that code in here. So there is so many features in here that it's just really needed for a business to be able to monitor what's going on. These are conversations in here. If we look at the different conversations, this was a voicemail that came in, and being we have a phone number in here, we can respond to that and message that person back if it's a cell phone. Or if we add their email in here, we can actually email that person, attach anything we want. We can select use a template and select one of our templates. Maybe it's to schedule, whatever it is. But right now we have an introductory offer. We have $100 off. Anybody that schedules in the next 30 days books, we're giving $100 off per month. So we dropped all our plans down $100 off. And so just imagine getting rid of ClickFunnels, Constant Contact, Schedule Once. I'm just adding up about $300 or $400 and having to only spend $97 a month. So if you would like this, there's a link below this video, and click on the link or go to Sproutified.io and you can get more information there. So thanks for watching, and love to answer any questions that you have.